Fish research and salmon recovery it's a huge task, and none of us can do it alone. You know, we're all out here trying to find those puzzle pieces, and you know, in order to do this and to make it work, we need to work together to put those pieces together. So I'm hoping to bring some of the, you know, pieces from the work that I'm doing and learn more about the pieces that the board is doing, and hopefully we can put that together into something meaningful.
We are at the Duwamish River People's Park and Shoreline Habitat. Today we are currently sampling for fish within the marsh basin as part of our performance standard monitoring. We are currently in the year 1 monitoring of a 10-year monitoring period.
This project is to monitor the fish that are using this restoration space, and we're doing it mainly 2 ways. One is acoustics, so Carrie Akala, who is our experienced acoustics scientist, is using a Ditson camera to kind of monitor and see how many fish and what size maybe the schools are and what their distribution in the restoration project, looking at inside the pocket and also in the channel of the river. And the other way is we do a pulse, what we call a pulsing. So there's a net, 2 poles, 2 people kind of drag it around, and we drag it through the, weave in between, the rocks, the wood and the plants. And if we catch any fish, we go and we ID them, we measure them, we measure the weight, see how big they are, and then we count them. And that just kind of gives us an idea of what the varieties of species that use this newly built restoration.
I think one of the most exciting things that we've found so far is that we have natural origin Chinook using this site. So that means that they weren't born in a hatchery, and they have come in to use this site specifically. So that's pretty exciting to have an endangered species come and use a site that you built for them.
And so we have marsh vegetation that's really happy here, and we're seeing natural channels form in the middle of the marsh, which is what we had hoped. And the other important piece is that we have a lot of the public that comes and enjoys this site as well. And so it's not only become an environmental asset, but it's also an asset for the community.
I think this site is going to absolutely flourish. It has all of the right things in the right spots, and so basically what my job is now is just to sit and watch it grow.
This is all one big puzzle we're trying to put together, and I think collaboration is really the key to taking advantage of all of our work. We're all out doing our own individual things, but by working together, we can learn from each other, learn successes, learn mistakes, and really try to paint that big picture of salmon recovery and what we need to do better, what we need to do in the long run.